So, I just celebrated New Year back home in advance. Mamaya pa yung New Year sa amin, but because of the spirit that I felt, I'm gonna take a bath and fix myself up. So, I just finished taking a bath and I put on some mask because it's New Year's Eve and I have some pimples. I'm gonna eat first and then I don't know what to do next. I have my makeup on, so now I'm gonna paint my nails. Say hi to my pimples. So I just went out to buy some lotion because my skin is so freaking dry here because of the weather, and also did some photo shoots right there. So cold. And for this year ends, I wanted to check off some of the things that I have to do this year, and first is to buy a lotion. I have been wanting to buy a lotion ever since, but I just don't have the time to go. But now I'm going. Look how dry my skin is. Ew. So I end up buying other stuff. I bought lotion, apple cider gummies, collagen for collagen, and Tostitos. Oh, I miss this, specifically this one. And also some floss. That's it. Next to my list is to actually clean up my MacBook. I have a lot of stuff inside this laptop from my school and some other nonsense stuff, so I wanted to save some space and just sort everything and organize. So I am going out again, this time with Lindsay, to get some patty, and we're gonna do some adventure. Let's see.
Way over there, but it's too small.
It's too full. It's too small? Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, we're gonna
Shucks.
go under. They cut the tree.
Go girl.
No, I can't. Why you cut it?
Kaya? Yay! Ouch! Sakit, no? We found $4. And look at the sunset. It's so freaking gorgeous. I miss this. So we are making bilo-bilo. Now making charcuterie. Finished product. And over here we have our fruits, our 12 fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Below is looking good. And anong tawag dito? I don't know, I forgot.
So today is January 1. It's officially New Year, and today I just wanted to share some of my New Year's resolution for the year 2021 while folding my laundry. So first on my list is to journal more. I started journaling when I turned 20, and before I only journal the things that I want to remember, or I only write whenever I feel bad about something, or whenever I feel excited about something, or whenever I have a milestone. But last year when pandemic happened, I tried to journal again every day, and that actually helped me in my mood. It helped me be more aware of what I feel and about other people as well. It made me more aware about my surroundings, and also this year I wanted to continue that, but I wanted to dig more deeper and really be consistent on journaling every day. And I am so freaking ready because I have a lot of notebooks and journaling stuff with me. So yeah. So next for my list is to build more healthy habits. I want to be able to wake up early. I just am never an early bird. I'm a nocturnal, so I always feel like I don't have time to do or finish everything. And one thing I know, it's already evening and I can't do anything really because everyone is sleeping, and I don't want to bother anyone. I want to be able to wake up early, work out, and then practice meditation in the morning right off the bat. And next is I will try to be more present in the moment. Because this year has been a blur for me. I am just constantly waiting for my milestone, or constantly waiting for my achievements to happen. A lot of my days is spent on waiting for the right moment, waiting for good things to happen, waiting for this, waiting for that, and my mind is just always daydreaming. I think this started when I finished college because, well, it's adulting life and we are now responsible for what's gonna happen to our own life, to our future. And maybe that made me anxious to constantly look forward. And don't get me wrong, it's not bad to look forward. It's just that you also have at the same time to appreciate the present and to acknowledge that everything that is happening to you now is actually the things that you have been dreaming before. So yeah, I have to take that into account. Those are my New Year's resolution. Now it's your turn. Comment down below what your New Year's resolution for this year are. So I'm gonna finish this, and thank you for watching. Bye!